Hi everyone, I'm heidiroro and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing and trying out the QuikKat Eyeliner Strips. So let's see if it works or if it's a huge flop. Let's get started. So I got the pack with the 32 strips and a QuikKat Eyeliner Pen. These strips are supposed to help you perfect the cat eye wing in seconds. The first step is to peel it apart. With the sticky side, you're going to use the Precision Eye Definer pen and you're going to apply the ink directly where the winged shape is. Now pull the pink part, which is step 3, and place it where you want your wing to be. I'm rubbing the strip with my fingers so that the liner can stick to my eyes. Okay, clearly that was a fail. Let's do this again. I'm just going to add the liner directly onto the strip and try to rub it once again. Yeah, no. Look at that. Clearly, I was very disappointed. So I'm going to remove everything and try it with a gel eyeliner instead of the felt tip liner. I noticed that sometimes when you're pulling step 3, the wing comes with it. So I had to maneuver it, and then there we go. Now I'm putting it to my eyes and rubbing it, and well, at least there's a stamp. So as you can see with the gel liner, it did give me a stamp of a cat eye. So I'm just using the QuikKat Eyeliner Pen to just fill in the sparse areas. And I'm repeating the steps on the other side, making sure that both wings are the same height. I personally don't like the fact that I have to fill in the wing after I stamped it on. It should just automatically be on there. That's the purpose of this. Yes, it is very fierce, but it's just so high. This is definitely not an everyday cat eye drama. Here is a close-up shot so you can see for yourself. Yay or nay? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I personally didn't like it. It's just way too high, and look how many strips I had to use. Are you kidding me? This is a complete waste of time and money. The liner was just whatever. And honestly, just altogether, I'm not a big fan of this combo, so I would not recommend it. Let me know what you guys think about this product. If you like this review, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what you'd like to see next, and subscribe so you join the family. Thanks for watching. Bye!